Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. Welcome back in our online class. Today is a science class and today we are going to start our chapter 4 or skeletal system. In this chapter we will discuss about skeletal system, joints, cartilage and muscles. Page number 34. Let's begin our chapter. We have learned in our earlier classes about the different organ system present in our body. Each organ system is made up of a group of organs. In our body many types of organ system present, and this organ system is made of organ. Now what is organ? Our body structural and fundamental unit is a cell. और जब ये cells क्या होती हैं? Cell is the smallest unit of our body and all organs made of this cells, and these cells will join together, they will make tissue, and after this group of tissue will make organs, and this the different type of organs and group of organs will make organ system, and this all organ system have a particular certain function in our body. They do different types of work in our body, like respiratory system belong to our lungs, and lungs help us to breathing. Like that the brain belong to our nervous system and the heart belong to our circulatory system, and this help in circulation of blood. Like that the stomach belong to our digestive system. In in digestive system our food digest, like that things. They all are different type of organ system. The different organ system in our body depend on each other and work together. और जो सारे organ system होते हैं they depend each other and work together. They join and they will work together. Two such organs system that work closely together are the skeletal system and the muscular system. And in this chapter, in about both of them, we will discuss in detail. First, skeletal system. What is skeletal system and what is skeletal? The framework of bones is known as skeletal. The skeletal system consists of different types of bones. जो skeletal systems होता है वो किससे बना होता है? The skeletal system is made of different type of bones. Just as a building has a framework of wood or metal, like that our body also has a framework. In our body, the framework of bones, it gave us a particular shape. जो ये framework होता है bones का, जो अपनी body को एक particular shape provide करता है, it is known as skeletal system. The definite framework of bones is called the skeletal, and the skull, backbone, rib cage, bones of the limbs and the girdle form our skeletal system. The different type of in our skeletal system, different types of bones like skull, backbone, rib cage, limbs, and this all are make our skeletal system. So definition क्या हुआ skeletal की? The framework of bones in our body, that is known as skeletal. And the different type of the different parts of our skeletal system like skull, rib cage, bones of limbs and the girdle form our skeletal system. The human skeleton is made up of 206 bones. In an adult human has a 206 bones, while a child has approximately 300 bones. But when he grow, these bones fuse together, and so in adult human only 206 bones. जो एक बेबी होता है उसमें टोटल 300 बॉन्स होती है, पर जैसे जैसे बड़ा होता है ये बॉन्स क्या करती है, एक दूसरे के साथ फ्यूज होकर और एक दूसरे के साथ ज्वाइन होकर एडल्ट में उसके नंबर लेस हो जाते हैं. इन एडल्ट ह्यूमन हैज 206 बॉन्स while a child has a 300 bonds. Some bonds are big and some bonds are small. In our body, the longest bone present in our thigh is named femur, is the longest bone in our body, while the smallest bone are present inside our ear. Stapes name. The stapes is the smallest bone in our body. Skull. Let's discuss about skull. Skull, you can see in given picture the skull is made of flat bones. It includes the bones of our head, face and the jaws. The different type of in our skull, the bones of our head, our face and our jaws, these all are different bones included in our. These bones are joined together very closely. All bones of the skull are fixed except the lower jaw. In our in skull, all they can't move. All bones fixed, but in our lower jaw it can move. Only the lower jaw bones can move, because while we eating, speaking, because of movement of this lower jaw we can this all things. The lower jaw can be moved. This allow us to chew food and to talk. The skull protect the brain as well as the give shape to our face. जो स्कल होता है उसका क्या होता है, वो अपने बॉडी के जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है, सबसे सेंसिटिव पार्ट है ब्रेन को, इट गिव प्रोटेक्ट टू अवर ब्रेन एंड इट गिव वन पर्टिकुलर शेप टू अवर फेस. And in skull total 22 bones. How many bones in a skull? Skull consists total 22 bones. Next, backbone and spine. The backbone or spine or vertebral column is made of small bones. There are total 33 small bones. These small bones are called vertebrae. The vertebrae are linked together to form long body backbone. जो backbone अपनी बैकबोन होती है अपनी बैक में, वो पूरी टोटल 33 स्मॉल बॉन्स से मिलकर बनी है. जो स्मॉल बॉन्स होते हैं उसको अपन क्या बोलते हैं, वर्टिब्रे. द बैकबोन कवर एंड प्रोटेक्ट द स्पाइनल कोड. जो अपनी स्पाइनल कोड होती है, नर्वस सिस्टम का पार्ट है एक स्पाइनल कोड और बहुत सेंसिटिव पार्ट है. इट गिव प्रोटेक्ट टू अवर स्पाइनल कोड. इन आल्सो प्रोटेक्ट द नर्वस एंड द ब्लड वेसल्स दैट रन डाउन फ्रॉम द ब्रेन. एंड द बैकबोन इज ज्वाइंट it joined from our skull to downside. It is a long bone. Next, rib cage. What is the rib cage? Rib cage is the rib cage are curved bones that form a structure called the rib cage. जो rib cage की bones होती है वो curved bones होती हैं. We have 12 pairs of ribs. In rib cage total 12 pairs of ribs, and the ribs are joined to the backbone at the back, and they are joined at back with the backbone in back, and in one and front one breastbone known as sternum. At the front they join with sternum. The last two pairs of ribs are called floating ribs because they are joined only to the backbone. The rib cage cover and protect to heart and the lungs. देखो जो ये rib cage होती हैं, they all are joined together, but the last two pair they only join with backbone, but in front they simply free, so they known as floating ribs. And rib cage protect our lungs and our heart. Next, limbs and girdle. Limbs, we have two pairs of limbs. The forelimbs means both arms, and the hind limbs means both limbs. First, our upper limbs and lower limbs. Upper limbs means arms both, and lower limbs means both legs. The bones of the forelimbs consist of the bones of the upper arm, lower arm, and fingers. In our forelimbs, upper forelimbs consist of one humerus and radius ulnar. These types of and our wrist. And the bones of hind limb consist of the bones upper legs, lower legs, and the toes. Forelimbs help us to pick and carry things, while the hind limb help us to walk and run. जो अपने arms forelimbs होते हैं, upper forelimbs help us to picking different type of things and carrying different type of things, while our lower limbs help us to move and walk. Next, girdle. We have two girdles, the shoulder girdle and the pelvic girdle. With the shoulder girdle, our arms join with our shoulders, and in our legs join with the pelvic girdle. The shoulder girdle consists of the shoulder blade and the collarbone. The forelimbs are connected to the shoulder girdle. जो अपना shoulder girdle होता है उसके साथ क्या connected होता है, 4 limbs connected होते हैं. The pelvic girdle consists of 3 large flat bones joined together. In our pelvic girdle there are 3 flat bones joined together. The hind limbs are connected to the pelvic girdle. Girdle are joints that help us to move the forelimbs and the hind limbs. This is a soldier girdle, and this the both girdle help us to our forelimbs to move. Function of the skeletal system. There are different skeletal system. First, shape. The skeletal system provide our body a particular shape. The skeletal system gives shape and support to our body. Suppose if in our body this skeletal system not present, what will happen? We don't have any particular shape, so it provide us a shape and support to our body. Next, movement. It allow to movement of different body part. Because of skeletal system, many our body part can move. Next, protection. It protect our soft internal organs like skull protect our brain, like that spinal this rib cage protect our lungs, and different type of skeletal system protect our different sensitive organs. Many parts in our body are hollow. You know, our body, inside our body they are hollow, means they are filled, and in this hollow part they are filled with a jelly like structure. This jelly like substance called bone marrow. जो अपनी बॉडी अपनी बॉन्स होती है, बॉन्स के अंदर होलो पूरा पाइप जैसा स्ट्रक्चर होता है, मीन्स वो पूरे अंदर से होलो होती है उसके अंदर, और उसके अंदर क्या फील होता है, एक जेली लाइक स्ट्रक्चर फील होता है, बॉन मैरो. दिस बॉन मैरो, in this bone marrow our red blood cells are made in this, and this bone marrow help us to produce blood cells. Next we will do in our next class.